Just 24 hours to go and the stage is set for a heated winter session of Parliament. Mamata's bid to garner support for a no-confidence motion has not found many takers.
I appeal to all the political parties. They said if somebody bring the no-confidence motion or something, the bill, we will decide. So let all the political parties to decide.
After a series of meetings, the NDA seeking a discussion on FDI in multi-brand retail under a rule that allows voting.
The NDA will move a resolution under voting provisions seeking to disapprove the government decision and urging the government to withdraw this decision.
फैसला बहुत दूर तक हो गया है, आगे भी जो थोड़ा बहुत बचा है उसको भी ठीक करेंगे.
Not convinced of managing the numbers on the floor of the House, regional players treading carefully on the no-confidence move.
So far, no one has approached the AIADMK for support on any no-confidence motion. If such a request comes, we will examine it.
Anand Sharma, Commerce and Industry Minister, made it very clear that the Prime Minister or the top leadership of the Congress would be in touch with ally DMK to get it on board. But as far as the numbers are concerned, the government would not be in any problem in this session of Parliament. With Mamata Banerjee running out of support as far as the no-confidence motion is concerned, we will have to wait and watch for the joint opposition strategy to be worked out ahead of the winter session of Parliament.
The UPA government now struggling to put up a brave front.
Senior leadership of the Congress, including the Prime Minister, has spoken and will speak to the DMK leadership. We will convince them that all the concerns that have been expressed in the past have been addressed.
The no-confidence vote may well be a non-starter, with the focus shifting on a debate on FDI in multi-brand retail. But a stormy winter session of Parliament clearly on the cards. Bureau Report, Times Now.